Libra, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs from the 8th of July till the 18th of July. Let's get started. Wow, you've got the Six of Wands. Some kind of good news is coming your way, guys. It looks like this, if you can see. Some kind of good news that you've been waiting for that is going to truly liberate you. If you're in the performing arts, you will be receiving some new offers, stage performances, which will unlock a whole new journey for you, a whole new professional journey for you. You've got the Queen of Pentacles. It's a beautiful card that suggests a lot of financial abundance and independence. So a lot of money coming your way, guys. Probably because you're starting this new journey. It's going to be leading you to not only prosperity when it comes to money, but also emotional and physical prosperity, mental prosperity. You've got the Knight of Cups. Someone has a keen eye on you and they're waiting for the right moment to give you this bouquet of flowers. They want you to excel, and then they want you to receive some kind of beautiful message from them. They will be sending you some kind of message that is, it could be a mail, it could be a DM, it could also be a handwritten note or a letter that you'll receive, which is going to be so beautiful, guys. When this person messages you, you might feel a little confused about whether or not to let this person in, because as I mentioned, it could be a third-party situation. In your earlier reading, we had got a third-party situation, guys. So I just want you to be careful and always approach everything with a clear heart and a clear mind. The card at the bottom of this deck is the Page of Pentacles. I'm really getting a lot of money coming your way. A lot of money, financial abundance, financial independence. Okay. Page of Cups again. You've got the Page of Pentacles and now the Page of Cups. This person, whoever it is, this Knight of Cups who's trying to approach you, they could be a little younger than you. Or they could be a little immature, haven't seen the world as much as you've seen it. Probably you're the same age, but you've got more experience with life than them. Again, a Page of Pentacles. You could also be attracting an earth sign individual. So this is a water sign individual. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and this is Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. So you could be attracting either of them. Okay, you got the Four of Swords as well. Libra, this period, whatever you're going through, is a kind of rejuvenation. So rest as much as you can, and don't feel guilty about indulging in recreation, swimming, playing outdoor games, just basking in the sun if you're from a colder region, because energies around you are a little stressful and a little overwhelming. You can be positive also. When a lot of things suddenly start happening, good things, you get a little overwhelmed. So just take a break and relax. It's okay. Now let's draw out some cards for you, oracle cards. Within the next few months, if you had a timeline related question in your mind, that is the answer. Bountiful harvest. Number 28 could be important. I'm telling you, you are headed towards abundance. Wisdom. Number 32 could be important. Act with wisdom and people will respect you. See, it's a beautiful card. Love from your parents. No matter what, your mother and father love you as much as they can. It's a beautiful unicorn card. A lot of unicorns in my reading. These are self-explanatory messages. That's why I'm just, reading them and letting them go. Awakening. Energetic upgrades, a new way of being, and integration. I think you guys are starting your spiritual journey, or you are indulging in some spiritual activities, lately, or you're going to be doing it very soon, because you also have that rejuvenation card with the Four of Swords. So, guys, yeah, you should, because this is going to lead you to an awakening that was much needed, a spiritual, mental, emotional awakening, where you feel that whatever was happening in your life had a major reason, and you're okay with coming to terms with it. Show the world the real you. Believe in the impossible. Nothing will come of this situation, and luck is on your side. Sagittarius, Aquarius could also be important in your life, so keep an eye out for them. The people you're attracting could also be Sagittarius or Aquarius. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. This is your affirmation, guys. And with this, we come to an end to your reading, Libra. I hope it made sense. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.